In this video, you'll learn how to set up eBay Seller Time Away. This guide explains how to manage your listings when you are unavailable to fulfill orders, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your customers. Begin by logging in to your eBay seller account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub, which is typically accessible from the main eBay homepage. Within the Seller Hub, look for the account or store settings area. This is where options for vacation or time away can be found. Accessing this settings page is essential for managing your time away effectively. Next, locate the time away option within the settings menu. Click on it to activate the feature. You will then need to enter your absences start and end dates. During this period, you have the choice to either allow purchases or pause sales completely. Selecting the appropriate option is crucial, as eBay will automatically display a message to buyers informing them of any delays in shipping or handling. This helps manage customer expectations during your absence. After you have entered the time away dates and your preferences regarding purchases, it is important to save the changes. Look for a save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the settings page. Once you click save, your listings will now adhere to the time away settings you have selected. This may result in buyers seeing extended handling times or temporary purchase restrictions. It is also advisable to check your current listings after saving to ensure that the time away settings are applied correctly. This verification step helps confirm that your store runs smoothly while you are unavailable. If your internet connection is slow, the saving process may take a moment, so be patient while the changes are processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.